Nice and cool outside. It's kind of breezy. Look guys, ito yung hydrangeas plants ko na mag-change ng 4 colors. Pink, light pink, and then dark pink, fuchsia pink, at saka maging lavender din siya later. Look, nice and green. Look. It's gonna be pretty later. Look guys, nice and green now.